Today, guys, we started a warm up, which will be a new thing that we do at the beginning of class every day. Make sure when you get back that you get the packet from me of our warm up activities. So today we did warm up number one, which was this one. Let me zoom in on this so that you'll be able to fill that in on your warm up sheet once you get it from me. So we went through this this experiment and identified the different parts of the experiment. We practiced that again that we did yesterday. We also went over the homework, which was on page 8 and 9 in your notebook. I want to show that to you as well. So page 8, we were looking at some graphing rules of both a line graph and a bar graph. You may want to hit pause so that you can check and make sure you have the correct answers. That was on page 8 in your notebook. We also, switch this over here, we also looked at page 9. Again, looking at different lab scenarios, picking out the independent and dependent variable and constants. If you have any questions on either of those pages or the warm-up, please make sure you come see me when you get back. See you soon.